If you're someone like me, guys, who gets your hands really cold, then this would be perfect for you guys. Let me get straight into the unboxing, but before I do, let's just turn it over and see what's. All right, so the model is a 803 and the battery capacity is 3000 milliamps. And they're saying that the charge time is about 4 hours and the working time is about 8 hours, which I think is pretty good. All right, so let's just get straight into it and see what we have here. Put that to the side. You have your usual pamphlet and stuff. I'm going to put that to the side. And it's pretty simple, guys. You have the two devices here. You have a USB A to USB C. All right, so we're done with that. And let's get these items out the way. All right, so they're pretty much very simple. As you look at this, the top here, you're going to see the section for you're putting in your USB-C connection to charge a unit. And that's it. So you have two buttons here. Once you press and hold, you will see that this is at level 1 right now. So level 1, you have level 2, level 3, level 4, and 5. And I'll put up on the screen what each of these temps would normally indicate of how hot it would actually get for you. When you press the other one, it goes the other way, right? And if you need to test and see what the battery percentage is, you just double press. And right now it's at 95, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it at level 1, and then the other one, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna put it at level 5. So at least you guys can have an idea. Let me just put the level 1 on the left side and the level 5. All right, so what I'll do is I have a temperature gun here. I'm gonna just take it out. All right, so right now, let's turn it on. So right now, my pretty much room temp is about 73, that it's saying right there. All right, so if I point it at the actual device, let's see what it's saying there. It's saying about 100 right now. I don't know if you guys can actually see that. It's saying about 100 right now, 99.1. Let's just put it over here on the 5. And it's rising. As you can see right there, it's actually rising. 109. So as you can see, it's actually heating up pretty quickly. I have two over here. I'm gonna put these to the side for now. I have two over here that are actually warmed up for you guys because I want you guys to actually see what it's actually like at its maximum temp. And right now it's saying about let's see. It's saying about 120, 121, thereabout. And it's pretty warm. So a lot of times I love with unwarmers, they're a lot bigger than this. These are actually really small. And the thing I like about it is that you're only feeling the temp on one side, which is this side over here. And then the other side, you feel nothing. But the thing about this now, since it comes with two, you actually can attach it like so. And now you have your fingers being warmed, and now your palm is being warm as well. But not only that, since you have two, you can just hold it like this and have it covered and keep your fingers really warm. And trust me, it feels really nice and toasty right now. Because I've used this in the recent winter storm we've had, and also on client shoots, and my clients really do love this. And the thing about it is all I do is just turn it on and put it in my pocket and keep it that way. So whenever I'm finished with a section where we're walking from one location to the other, I oftentimes just give it to them and they just keep their finger on, and they absolutely love it. They actually bought some of these because they didn't expect it to be so cheap. The price of these actually, guys, is less than $20. And it is really a good deal. For you to be getting two for that price is really good. And as I said, the temps are really good here, and you can't necessarily go wrong with these. Why am I sharing this? I just came across it, a guy called Flossie Carter, I think his name was. And I was like, he recommended this, and from the moment he talked about it, I said, you know what, let me go and grab it. And I am not disappointed at all. Like I mentioned before, guys, I bought 2 packs. So, you know, I can easily carry these in my pockets and warm my both hands if I need to, or I can always give it to someone if they actually need it that I'm actually working with. And it works out really nice. So I think this is a good thing for anybody out there who have issues with getting their fingers cold during the winter time. Even if you're wearing certain gloves, oftentimes you're wearing certain gloves, it does not keep your hand extremely warm. So if you have these added with the gloves, I think you'll be mighty happy. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I will actually have links for these in the description below, and let me know what you guys think of it if you actually do purchase it and use it. All right guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.